Alright, this is the 10-cent solution to the cup holder problem. You know, we all get big cups. A lot of people go to QT. This gets in here, hit the gas, this thing goes flying back, and you're screwed. Stuff's all over your car. No longer is that problem anymore with this 10-cent solution. It's very easy. Check out how rigid this is. I can't move it. I have to, like, seriously get after it. Oh my god. There we go. Super simple. Just put some foam double sided tape on the back of this factory insert. I don't know what the exact size of that is. I'll post it in the comments. Could be a 1/4 inch or something like that. But seriously, it fits down in there. Factory. And now it ain't going nowhere. And this still closes. Check it out. And you have to push it down a little bit, but it's worth it. Boom. Rigid.